Hi everybody, I'm Buddy, also known as the creative Globetrotter. I'm traveling the world since 2015, an ongoing mission to share you my traveling experiences. In this episode I did travel Sri Lanka. From the arrival in the capital, experience the local culture and food, see the historical cities, friendly people and gorgeous beaches. This is the Sri Lanka Travel Guide Part 1, how to travel the capital and the beaches in the south. I flew from London Heathrow Airport to Colombo, the capital of Sri Lanka. This is a good place to start your travels and to blend in the hard way. I feel always comfortable to walk around a big city. Get into a foreign country immediately with their customs and culture. The easiest way to get around Colombo is traveling by local bus or tuk-tuk. Colombo got a lot to offer from museums and historic buildings. And don't forget, just walk around and see how people live their lives.
Yes, I'm now walking in Colombo. There's a lot to do here, people here selling some restaurants. It's really nice to be walking here because you can really see how people live and how I just went to tuk-tuk. Smaller streets. It's nice to go around now. This church from the main street is actually a Dutch church originally, but it's now a place for the fire department. Right here at the Buddhist temple, it took me, I don't know, several stairs to go up, you see that? But the view is really tremendous. The other part of the harbor and the entire Colombo city. The bus is really packed right now. Yeah. It's very nice.
How many people want?
Alright.
From Colombo I traveled to Galle. This is 3 hours away by bus. Traveling by bus is very easy in Sri Lanka. Actually, this is the easiest way to travel by flagging down the local bus, and the buses take you anywhere on the island. However, to Galle I took a coach. It just takes 2 hours on the highway and it is more comfortable. We are really in the heart of Galle or Galle. It depends on what you want to pronounce. I'm in the hostel. It's really in the Dutch fort. So cool. So small streets, you see this? So I'm going to walk around the wall and see what we can find there. Galle is founded by the Dutch and the remains are still there, in the beautiful preserved old town of Galle and fort. And it is worth to stay some days to visit many historical buildings, museums or just get lost in many narrow streets and on the old big defense wall.
Well, we are on the fort, actually on the wall. I play a lot of volleyball as well, which is nice to see when you see your backpack in Sri Lanka. See some Sri Lankan volleyball playing as well. tried once. It tastes really good, really sweet. So he's gonna wait and gonna pay. This is my colleague, blogger,
For sure.
Jacob.
Oh, it's a video.
Yeah, so he's
guys.
sharing our blog right now.
Yeah.
How are you doing the first few days? Vlogging it?
It's good. I
Yeah.
like it. Yeah. Good to escape winter from Europe.
Yeah, me too.
From Galle, I went across the bay to Unawatuna. You can take the local bus, but it is more fun to pay a bit more and ride the entire way by tuk-tuk. Unawatuna is the starting point where the most amazing beaches are laying up to the city of Matara, like Talpe, Wedigama and Mirissa. Everything in between is a great hangout to enjoy the sun, to swim, snorkel, dive and surf.
This is a great hostel run by Dutch and Sri Lankan warrior girl. So yeah, really nice. Cheap too, just close to the Unawatuna and Jungle Beach. Chill out room. There was Unawatuna Beach and here Jungle Beach. Took me the long way around to the walks in the jungle. I would not recommend it, but take a tuk-tuk. Well, this is Unawatuna Beach. I'm walking around a bit, just arrived today from Galle. Just the place hanging around, relax, swim. My swimming gear is already wet, so I'll go on an off-field swim again. This is Unawatuna Beach. Now we'll soon go to Jungle Beach, more famous beach. So we'll see. So this is a more relaxing place. Well, I finally made a dive into the water and it is so good. It feels so chill. Well, it ain't cold at all, like in the Netherlands. Just morning, did the morning walk, nobody there on the Unawatuna beach. But after that I went to snorkeling at Jungle Beach and in front of Unawatuna Beach. And now I'm at Galle Beach, and this is so much better. Less people, very relaxed.
From the southern beaches I went up to the central highlands, but that is coming up next. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe or go to my website thecreativeglobetrotter.nl.